Need help with your DoorDash order? DoorDash offers several support options: live chat for quick solutions, phone support for complex issues, and email support for non-urgent matters. Live chat, accessible through the DoorDash app or website's help section, uses AI chatbots to resolve common issues like order tracking and refunds instantly, often in under 30 seconds. For more complicated problems, you can connect with a human agent. Phone support is available via toll-free numbers like 1-855-973-1040 in the US, routing your call based on the issue. Email support through help@doordash.com or the website's support form is suitable for feedback or detailed complaints, typically answered within 24 to 48 hours. Select the best method for your needs. To get the fastest and most effective help, have your order ID or account information ready for live chat and phone support. When using email support, include screenshots or receipts to clarify your issue. Remember that AI handles many initial interactions, especially in live chat, so be prepared for automated assistance. If the AI can't resolve your issue, you'll be connected to a human agent. Be clear and concise when describing your problem to ensure a quick resolution. DoorDash's support system aims for efficiency and personalization, using AI to resolve issues quickly. So follow these guidelines to streamline the process.